Ladies and gentlemen.
So here we are, part 4 of finishing up this monstrosity. That's what makes me open up the right here. All sand. Go right up to that. Oh, like the flip there. Giant ant colony. Another strange bug. I was getting to seeing bugs I never even thought existed. I mean, what a mosquito. Everybody wants to see underneath there. See how messy this sucker really is. Great reveal. does that? What? So they did was they looped all the wire just into a big loop. That's it. That's all they just sat in a loop. That was it. But you couldn't pull it through because it had two of them little super clips on there, right? Seriously? Are we even serious about doing what we're doing around here? It's definitely done on Friday. I can tell you right now. Straight up Friday. Job at all. Had not like his job. Put like the new guy on it or something. You know what I mean? They gave the new guy this one. Here, guy, you got new guy here. Test your skills. You're free. Free and leave. Fantastical. As you can tell, fantastical. I don't know. What do you think? Ta-da! A nice clean mess to work from. Fantastic. Get it ready. Find out what's going on. Just who's in? You?